Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have a well-lit and clean area to work in, preventing any tiny components from getting lost. This entire process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually found on the side or bottom edge of the fob's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, confirming the casing is securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.